Hello, and today we're going to be talking about simultaneous equations. So it's where it's better if I actually graph it. If we have two lines here and they intersect here, that means that they're both solved at this one point, whatever this one point is. So the way we work out this point is what we're going to be talking about today. So I'm going to be talking about linear simultaneously solving, but it is possible to do non-linear. There's two methods to solving linear equations. One's called substitution and the other's called elimination. Today we're going to be looking at substitution. So the easiest example is something like this. We have two different equations. I'm going to label these equations in a different color. But what we do is we say sub, change back to the color, 1 into two. What we're doing by subbing equation 1 into equation 2 is that we're basically making them equal each other. Right? This is why it's called a substitution method, because we're subbing one equation to equal y and vice versa, right? So from here we just solve from x. So I'm gonna minus 3x on both sides. I'm gonna bring it up over here now. Plus 5 equals 3. Transpose across, negative 2 equals x. Alright, and now, a different color, we substitute x equals negative 2. So sub x equals negative 2 into, and then we can choose whatever equation we want, whatever's easier. So I reckon the first equation is going to be easier. So I'm going to put the equation 1. And now y equals 3 lots of negative 2 plus 3. That's negative 6 plus 3, which equals negative 3. So our solution, write this down, solution is negative 2, our x value, negative 3, our y value. So if we had those two lines, that's saying that if that was our graph, here is where our intersection is. It's claiming that this is that, right? My lines aren't accurate, but you can sort of see what I'm going for. Okay, let's go into a more complicated substitution. What if we had y equals x plus 1, right? Simple, but instead we have x plus y equals 2, for example, right? Here's our equation 1, here's our equation 2. So we have to sub equation 1 into equation 2, and by doing that we get x plus whatever y is. So y in this case is defined as x plus 1 equals 2. So collect like terms, we have 2x plus 1 equals 2. Subtract 1 on both sides. 2x equals 2. not equals 2 equals 1, x equals 1/2. Then we can sub this sub x equals 1/2 into equation 1, so that way we can get y very easily. So y equals 1/2 plus 1, y equals 3/2, or 1/2, 1.5, right? So now I can write my solution. X 1/2, and my y 3/2, and that's my solution for that problem. So that's all I have time for today for simultaneous equations. In the next video we're going to be talking about elimination, the second method of linearly solving equations. And I will see you in let's cut that last bit out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, or contact me on social media, and I will try my best to answer them all. And I will see you in the next video.